Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a MetaQuest 3S versus MetaQuest 3 video. And at first, we'll go over the official website and then we'll read another article to finally, strengthen our decision. So, as you can see, the MetaQuest 3 is obviously $200 more. So, obviously, we can understand that this one has more, uh, value and features than the 3S. As you can see, they support the same SoC, DRAM, and base storage. And then again, this is again the same. The ergonomics are the same. Now for optics technology, this is where the difference comes in. This is only 1832 by 1920, whereas this one is 2064 by 2208, which is obviously bigger. This has only 773 ppi, but this one has 1218. So you can already understand that, okay, you will see a difference in the display. And then the refresh rate is again the same, and then the FOV degrees, as you can see, this one is slightly more than this one, so it's gonna make you get a wider range of view, the MetaQuest 3 I'm talking about. And then the optics are also different than this one, and then color gamut is the same on these two. And then the headset tracking, as you can see, the same features on them both. And then as you can see, controller tracking is again same, and then the coloring is also the same. The charging is on this one, even though it's more, for some reason they have a 2.2 hour runtime versus this one which has a 2.5 hour runtime. I think that is because of the display and everything else. And then all these things that you're seeing, it has an adjustable pre-installed standard facial interface, but this one is just pre-installed, so you won't be able to adjust it. And I'm talking about this thing, the two that you see. And then they have two touch plus controllers and two AA batteries, and they provide two wrist straps versus this one. They also do provide two wrist straps. And then as you can see, everything else is same. So the only major difference we saw was in display resolution and in the FOV, which is your field of view. Now, if we head over to this website, you'll see that, things like that. It uses the same chipset and has the same RAM, things like that. But the Quest 3 is worth upgrading to, and as the reason, they would say that the 3S is not an excellent VR set for the price, and it has nothing to sniff at. So basically, they're saying that, yeah, it's starting, but it's not the best thing that you can get with that price range. So if you can increase and go for the better one, I would say go for the 3. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.